Let me show you one of the easiest way to convert your YouTube long form videos into shorts. So what you're going to do, you're going to use CapCut, the editing app called CapCut, and it's free. You're going to go into CapCut and create new. And once you go to create new, it will give you the option to convert your long form video to shorts. And then you're going to make that selection. And once you do that, you're going to upload your long form video into CapCut. So you find the file or the video you want, which is the long form video, and upload it in CapCut. And once that is done and the video is uploaded, it will give you a few options. Do you want them to do it on auto for you, or you want them to do it less than 60 seconds or 90 seconds? You have to give it the time. But I'm going to select less than 60 seconds because I'm going to use these videos for YouTube Shorts, and your YouTube Short should be less than 60 seconds. If it's more than 60 seconds, it will put it under the video content instead of the YouTube Short. Or if you have a longer video, you could probably cut the timing for it. But since as we're just doing this, making it automatic and seamless, you're going to select the less than 60 seconds. So now it's uploading the video and converting it, and it will take a little time, so you'll have to wait on it to convert the video into shorts. The longer the video, the longer the converting time will take. All you have to do is just wait on it to convert your video. Here we have it now. We have the long form videos converted to short, and it will give you, for example, it says the hook structured videos, and it also selected the topic for you. So here we can play it. You see that the short is playing, and the first one is 53 seconds. And you can note that most of them is under 60 seconds. And here from this long form video, it gives me 6 YouTube shorts to work with. What you can do from here now is edit the shorts that you get. So you want to click the edit button, just over it. You can go straight ahead and export it, but I want to see the edit it because sometimes the wording is not as exact and you don't want to change that, or you want to change the color of the font, you can do that as well. So here, if you want it in red, or if you want it to be yellow or black and white as it gave me before, you can select the color of your font to make it engaging. So you hit edit more, and it will take you into the editing section of CapCut. Once that is done and it's loaded, then it gives you the caption to the side. So if you want the caption, as I was saying before, you can do so. So you can change the words on the caption. If you want to include a word or correct a word, you can do so here. So what I normally do is to just go through the video, make sure that the words are in sync with what I'm saying, and that's the correct word that I'm saying. So I'll just play through the video. And if there's a word to correct, this is where I'll do it. But say, for example, I'd want to pluralize book. I'll add the S to it and see the S is added to it. Or if you remove a word, or if you want to correct a word, you just click where the word is and it will make adjustments. Before you want to change the text, if you want the text to have background, you can do so with the preset on your right hand side here. So once that is done, add a little element to it. So normally on my video, I'll add YouTube, something to do with YouTube, just to tell viewers that I'm on YouTube. So if, for example, I'll use the same short, same video to post on TikTok, I'll just adjust this to say that you can find me on YouTube, or watch this video or the rest of the video on YouTube, because the short serves as a teaser to the long form video. So that's how I'll do it here. And then I'll just bring it to the front and add it to the rest of the video. Next, I want to add my YouTube name to the video as well, but just for lead purposes again. So you'll just add text and write your heading, write it there. You can adjust the size of the writing by going to basics and adjust the font to the font that you'd like. You just make your final adjustment. And for this text, you can also change the color. So this is how you add text and modify and edit the text on your YouTube short in CapCut. And again, you want to extend that to the rest of the video. You just drag it from the beginning to the ending of that video as well. But for this video also, I didn't really have any graphics or anything because I'll just keep it plain and simple. But if you want to add sounds and graphics to your YouTube short, you can do so. Once you're finished with the video, now you're going to export the video and download it. You can post from here too, but I'll download mine before I upload it. You can change the resolution. So normally 1080p or 4K, but I'll use a 1080p for now. And you just hit export. The title of the video is there as well. And it download your video, and now you can upload it as a YouTube short. And there you have it, creating YouTube shorts from your long form video using CapCut within a few minutes. Did you know that there are millions of people making money on Amazon publishing low content books? Imagine earning passive income while you sleep. In this video, you'll learn how to create passive income stream on Amazon, specifically through medium content books. This is a lucrative opportunity for aspiring. Many people are struggling to find effective ways to generate passive income online, often feeling overwhelmed by complex business ideas or high startup costs. So today I'll explore what medium content books are, the types you can create, the tools you need, and how to publish them on Amazon KDP. Okay, see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.